Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jayla Marche. If you're new here, if you're not new here, hey, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a review, a very fun video. So, about last Friday, a week ago, Fenty Beauty came out with their concealers, 50 shade concealers. That's crazy. And if you guys want to see how I like the concealer and the powder, continue watching this video, and yeah, like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get started. Okay, so I've already, like I said at the beginning of my video, I've already done my foundation, which is in the color 210. Which is in the color 310 of the foundation. So I got 310 and the concealer. I really like how it looks similar to the bottle, to the foundation. So let's get started. I got my natural color, so I hope it. I know concealer is supposed to be like lighter, but I can never figure out my color shade and concealer, so I just got my same concealer. I just got the same shade in my foundation, which is 310. So yeah. So I'm going to put this on. I'm going to use my mirror to do this. So if I'm like getting really close to the camera, it's because I'm really trying to get. And a little bit goes a long way. I know. A little bit does go a long way. So yeah. And I like that I can just keep going and it doesn't dry as quick, like Tape Shape does. Just gonna put that there, and I'm just gonna put some right here, and I'm going to blend this in. I also like how creamy this is. It's not like, oh my god, but it's very creamy. Okay, so far I love how the concealer feels really light. Like, it doesn't feel as heavy like Tape Shape does, even though Tape Shape is my favorite concealer. But I do like how it's very light. It's not like, oh my god, like I have on makeup. I really do like that. I feel like this could be an everyday concealer. If you want to go for more of an everyday concealer, I feel like this would be a great concealer, and I feel like the Tape Shape would be more of like a night concealer. But yeah, but I'm gonna keep on going because I will give you my full review at the end of the video. So with that, I'm going to go in with the setting powder, the face setting powder. I know she has like a bunch of them. I love that she has one for like every shade, and I loved it. And I know she has the banana. I didn't get the banana shade, but I think I might. But yeah, so this shade is I got the shade Honey, and I really like in the description that it tells you what powder is best for your shades. Like, so when I was trying to figure out what shade, I saw that she said that Honey is the best shade if you're in the shade 300 and 390, I think, in the shade of the foundation. So that was very helpful because I'm really trouble finding my color for like foundation, concealers, and even powder. So I really like that she helps you with that. And I love the packaging of this. It's just so luxurious. Like, oh my god, I love the packaging. So it looks like this, and I love that it came with a topper, so it's not like it doesn't get as messy. So I'm going to go with my powder brush, and I am just going to set away. Okay, so far so good. I really do like the powder. Be careful with it. A little does go a long way, and it does get really messy, as of all powders does. But be careful. It does get messy. But I do love it. If you're in the color like 300 or 390, get honey. I feel like honey is like the best shade for you. And you can go and you can get a lighter shade if you want of the concealer, but I wanted to go with my shade. I just want to go the same shade as the foundation. So yeah, I may go lighter like in the future, but I will go. So yeah. So I do love how this looks. I think the concealer is really pretty, and I do love how it looks. But I'm not really done giving you guys the full review, so I'm going to go put on a little bit of makeup. I've already done powder. I'm actually going to go in with a little bit of eyeshadow. I'm going to go in with my Carly Bible eyeshadow. Mascara, I'm going to go in with my Marc Jacobs mascara. So for highlighter, I am going with my e.l.f. liquid highlighter. Okay, so I already put on my lipstick because I didn't realize this was filming and my phone just cut off. So I went in with the Maybelline Oh my god! I went in with the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the color Dreamer, and it's like a very pinky mauve color. I think I'm gonna go in with a little bit of blush with my LA Girl Glam Kit. I'm gonna now set my makeup with the Urban Decay All Night Setting Spray. Okay, so this is the finishing look. This is how the concealer look with the powder. I love the powder. I love the concealer. I'm not just saying that because I'm a Rihanna fan. I really do love the concealer and the powder. And I bought this with my own money. I literally ordered this last Friday, and it came in yesterday afternoon, and I was like, I need to film this right now. So yeah, go to your Sephora or go on FentyBeauty.com, or you can even go on Sephora.com and buy this. I love this concealer. I love the powder, and I will definitely use the concealer every day. I will probably still use the Shape Tape for my eye for like eyeshadow and stuff. But this is like really bomb. I feel like Rihanna like always set the bar. Like she always just I don't know like ever since she came out with Fenty Beauty, I feel like it's just been my favorite. It's like my go-to. It's my go-to makeup brand. All applause to Rihanna and Fenty, and she also came out with 10 more, or I'm not sure like how many range, but she came out with more foundation shades. It's like, girl, like you're killing it with the makeup brand, with the makeup thing. And it's okay. I haven't came out with music for about 2 years. It's okay. I forgive you. So yeah, go get you the concealer and go get you the powder. I love this. I love it. I love the way it looks on my skin. And I will give the powder a thumbs up, and I give the concealer a thumbs up. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys liked this review. I hope it made you guys want to go get the concealer and the powder. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And upload every week. And I love you guys. Bye.